Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video.
5 chair exercises that reduce belly fat fast. Lose belly fat by just using a chair. Many people think that the only way to fight belly fat is going to the gym every day. But let's face it, sometimes it's not possible to go to the gym. However, it is also possible to burn fat using routines at home or at the office, especially the abdominal fat that we are so eager to get rid of. Chair exercises are one example, and they help reduce belly fat in less time than you think. Check out these 5 simple chair exercises and see results in no time. 1. Knee raise with twist. Sit up straight and move toward the edge of the chair. Place your feet in front of you. Raise your hands touching the sides of your head. To perform the exercise, lift one knee while touching it with the opposite elbow, right elbow width to left knee, and do the same step on the other side, left elbow with right knee. You should feel a contraction in your lower abdominal muscles. 2. Double knee raise to lose belly fat. This exercise will work your entire abdominal region. Place your arms on the armrests of the chair for support, and lift both knees to your chest. Do your best not to support the knees. Let your abs do the work to bring them to your chest. 3. Oblique double knee raise. With this exercise, you can do it just like the previous one, but this time leaning to one side, on one buttock. This movement will target the sides of your abdomen to work a larger area. Repeat the movement on one side until you start to feel the burn. Then, lean to the other side and do the same movement. 4. Touch the floor. Tired of saddlebags? Don't worry, this exercise will help you get rid of them too. Keeping your position in the chair, place your feet flat on the floor in front of you, slightly open, and stretch your arms out to the sides. Then, lean forward and bring one hand, without bending the elbow, down to the opposite foot. 5. Chair lift. If you're going to do this in a wheelchair, you should definitely perform this exercise pressed against the wall to prevent it from moving. Once you're stable, place your arms on the armrests and lift your body up off the chair. As you do this, use your abdominal muscles to pull your knees up and inwardly.